Okay, so share £9 in the ratio 1 to 2. So what we need to think of here effectively is if we've got two people, okay? So we've got person here on the left hand side and person on the right hand side. And the person on the right hand side is going to have more of the share of the £9, okay? Right? In fact, the person on the right hand side is going to have twice as much as what the person on the left hand side has, okay? But we must remember it's £9 that we're sharing, okay? That's the amount of money that we've got, and that's how much needs to be shared out. And at the end, when it's shared out, it's all going to add up to £9, okay? So it's good to sort of represent it in terms of a diagram here. Think of this as like piles of cards, if you like, okay? Now the person on the right is going to get 2 piles, whereas the person on the left is only going to get 1 pile. So if you're sharing £9 out into 3 equal piles, okay, quite simply we can work out what goes in each pile by dividing 9 by 3, yeah, because we've got here 1 part on this side, 2 parts on this side, and when I add them up I get 3, okay? So I want to share the £9 by 3, okay, and of course 9 divided by 3 is just 3. So in each pile, I'm going to put £3. So I'm going to put £3 there, £3 here, £3 here. So the person on the left is going to get £3, but the person on the right is going to get 2 lots of £3, which is £6. It's important to check afterwards then, of course, that they do add up to £9, okay, and they do. But you can see the person on the right gets twice as much as the person on the left, corresponding to this ratio. Let's look at the second example. Share £8 in the ratio 1 to 3. So in this case, the person on the right is going to get 3 times as much as the person on the left. Okay, so it's important to work out how many piles we're going to have in total, how many parts, and you just add them up, don't you? So 1 and 3 is 4. So there's going to be 4 parts. Okay, so what we need to do is, okay, because we're going to now share this money out, okay, into 4 piles here. We're going to take the £8, okay, and divide it by the 4, okay. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, of course. So in each pile, we're going to have £2, okay. So now you can see how much each sort of person gets. So on the left-hand side, this one share here means that we've got just £2, okay, but the person on the right is going to get 3 lots of £2, yeah, so that makes £6. And again, it's important to check that that adds up to what we started with, which was £8, okay. So we'll do one more example for this video, and it says here, share £18 in the ratio 2 to 1. So this time, okay, you can see the ratio, person on the left is getting 2 shares, person on the right is only going to get 1 share. So person on the left here is getting twice as much as the person on the right. But again, it's realizing when you share this money out, we need to create, okay, 3 piles, yeah, because if I add the 2 and the 1, we're going to have 3 piles when we distribute the money. So we can call that anything. We can call it piles, parts, shares, anything we want to, okay. So we're going to now divide 18 up, okay, into 3 piles. So 18 divided by 3, and we get 6. So it's going to be £6 in each pile, okay. So the person then on the left will get 2 lots of £6, which is £12. Person on the right will just get £6. So the person on the left is getting twice as much as the person on the right. Again, it's important to check that this adds up to £18, and of course it does.